sales are a surprisingly accurate economic indicator. Historically, when RV sales are booming, so is the economy. RV sales are up almost 4% since last year. So could that be a good sign for a soft landing? Let's ask auto expert Mike Caudill. He's at the largest RV show in the country. Mike, sales are up. Does that tell us that good times are ahead?
Well, Brian, of course, right? Good times are up. I think with the rate dropping last week, that 0.5% is going to help significantly when it comes to RV sales, right? And as we look at the industry as a whole, I talked to some insiders with the RV Industry Association, and they're saying shipments across the board are up from RV makers. I'm here in Elkhart. This is the RV capital of the world, and I've got to show you guys, this is the big news here this week. We talk about RV interest. This is actually a partnership between Thor Industries and a company out of Southern California called Harbinger, and this is the world's first fully electric, but wait, hybrid RV. So it's very interesting. We think about traditional hybrid vehicles, right? Parallels, they have an engine with a little bit of electricity. This one's all electric, but has a gas generator on board to charge those batteries. So there's a lot of optimism in the industry right now as we talk about technology, guys.
Is there room for more EVs? Is the demand there for an EV RV?
So that's a great question, and the answer is choice, right? What Thor is doing is they're giving consumers choice, and they're allowing them to understand what electric vehicles can be. I love technology, but they're removing the politics out of it. They're saying you can get a gas vehicle if you want one. You can get a hybrid one if you want. So they're reducing range anxiety with this new relationship with Harbinger. So I would expect to see great things from this in the future. And just here at the show, I'm seeing a lot of excitement from all the other manufacturers as well. Forest River, Keystone, they're all saying great things about where they think the market will go, as Brian said at the beginning, about that increase.
Sorry to truncate here, but real quick, is the demand for RVs going up because people are looking for alternatives, possibly sort of downsizing the cost of these vacations?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. If you look at it compared to booking 4 airline flights for your family, it's significantly more affordable to get into an RV at a couple $100 a month. And I think that's the message that we're really pushing out here at this industry event. They want consumers to know that you can get into an RV for under $20,000 if you want, and you can camp as close to your house as 5 miles. And they want to really get that lifestyle message out. And that's what they're doing here. And they're also showing technology with this over my shoulder.
Yeah.
That there is an RV. Mike, great stuff. Thanks for the report. Good to see you.
Yeah. Good to see you guys as well.
My parents are in the market for an RV. They just want to take it and cruise the country. To your point, Jackie, it's just easier than having to hop on a flight. You have a bathroom on board. You have a kitchen on board. You can just cruise the world.
I mean, there's something actually really beautiful about that.
All right, 2 hours to go until the closing bell. Let's count you down to